वादा किया था, ये मेरा दूसरा वीडियो आ चुका है और प्लीज जाके उसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा देखिए, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन।
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
My name is Faisal Rehan and what's your good name, ma'am?
My name is Kainat Khan. You are Faisal Rehan and I am Kainat. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Because of ma'am, this event happens, this Hunar exhibition.
So you can cover all these items, like there are food tables. They are selling beautifully handmade food, like this. Those are truly hygienic, homemade. Nothing is came from outside. Like these are bread. This is a special table for bread and all. Those are lifestyle tables, and here is a table for kids. And this is a very special table. Like this is a calligraphy done by a girl named Shubhi. And these are all ayah of the Quran. Just you can capture it.
Myself is Seher Hashim. My brand name is Amir Fashion.
आमिर फैशन।
तो हमारे यहाँ पे हर टाइप के सूट्स हैं, जैसे कि आपका कॉटन सेक्शन हमारा ज़्यादा है। कॉटन कलेक्शन में जैसे कि आपका कॉटन सूट के साथ आपका शिफॉन दुपट्टा भी है और कॉटन दुपट्टा भी है। तो जैसे कि आप ये क्वालिटी देखोगे हमारा सारे रीजनेबल रेट में है। इजीली हर एक लाइट कलर से लेकर सारी कलेक्शन हमारे पास है। शिफॉन दुपट्टे में भी है, जैसे कि आप ये देख सकते हो, शिफॉन दुपट्टा है।
सो मैम, अगर हमें आपको कांटेक्ट करना हो या फिर हमें आपसे कुछ बात करना हो तो फैमिली, दिस इज़ अ कार्ड। सो ये कार्ड मैं आपको पिक्चर्स भी सेंड कर दूंगा मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में, और इंस्टाग्राम में सेंड कर, इनका भी इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल आपको दिख रहा होगा कार्ड में। मैं इसका फ़ोटो इंस्टाग्राम में सेंड कर दूंगा, प्लस एज वेल एज मैं इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी सेंड कर दूंगा आपको।
Hello everyone, I am Arpita Saluji from AS Accessories, and you can see my collection. These are all fixed earrings, you can see, and these are all statement earrings. Just have a look. You can see in Big Boss,
यस,
they also wear these kind of earrings. So that's it. I have an Instagram page, AS Accessory, okay, and they can WhatsApp me also on this number. So whatever they will order, I will deliver it. Delivery is available all over India.
Hello everyone, my name is Umul Hayat and I have a boutique named Hayat Fashion.
हयात फैशन।
Yes.
सो
I have different varieties. You can see I have some Garara pieces also. These are Gararas. Okay. So you'll be getting everything today at a very discounted rate. Okay. This is the entire sale along with dupatta. You are going to get only at 1500 and this is stitched. Okay, fully stitched. I have few more pieces over here like this one. This one is for 1400. This is for 1200. This is for 1400. Your must be with full handwork, okay, along with dupatta. This again, and these are some kurtis. Some are for 650, some are for 750. The price will vary definitely. And over here I have some, different collection. I would say rather. I have some shrugs.
So ma'am, if our family wants to contact with you in your boutique, So how they will contact you, ma'am?
They can get in touch with me on my WhatsApp or they can call me. This is my card, just have a look. And my and my number is 8100006032.
So family, if you like the collection of ma'am, so then please go and check it out.
I would like you to see these collections, see these jackets.
Oh,
Okay, these beautiful jackets. Okay, only for 700. Pick any for 700.
so boys, you are not alone. With the collection of women, ma'am has also the collection for the men also.
And over here also you can see all these tops, shirts. It's Chanel. It's only for 650. Okay, and I have many more collections. Ask them to get in touch with me. Okay, and I'll give you all the details. Thank you.
Thank you.
7th of February को हमारा होटल एटम में एग्जीबिशन है. सो फैसल वी आर मोस्ट वेलकम.
Thank you, ma'am.
और आप अपना ब्रॉडकास्ट करें हमारे एग्जीबिटर्स के प्रोग्राम.
My name is Shaina Alam. My company name is Fashion Destination. मेरे पास कलेक्शंस में कुर्तीज़ का डिज़ाइनर कुर्तीज़ एंड गाउन, यूज ऑफ कॉस्मेटिक्स कलेक्शन, सम विंटर कलेक्शंस एंड शूट पीसेस.
So this is a card. I will give the details of this card in my Instagram as well as in my YouTube account in the description box. If you want to check, if you want to see these types of fashion varieties, so please check it out. Ma'am is always ready to give you fashion.
Thank you so much.
Product you will show us today.
I do the business of clothing. All varieties of clothing are there, like customizations can also be done, and my sister does this calligraphy thing. These are all Qurans ayat, but we can do anything whatever you require what the customer says. We can paint it and we can write. All these are hand painted and handwritten. These are on canvas and these are framed.
So these are the canvas ones.
Yeah, these are we both have a page on Instagram and Facebook.
So ma'am, if
Calligraphy specially for my color.
so,
I have a card. This is my card. Any orders can be made within 15 to 20 days. Any customization.
so guys, if you are interested in calligraphy or any fashion work, so ma'am is there. So if any customizations or any fashion work you want, so she can deliver to your home. You can deliver.
Yeah, delivery charges will be there.
The delivery charges will be there, and it will deliver from 20 to 25 days. 20 to 25 days it will deliver. Thank you,
But
ma'am.
calligraphy can be done within 2-3 days.
But the calligraphy you can get from 3 to 4 days. So thank you, ma'am.
My name is Farheen.
Farheen.
Yeah.
So what kind of products you will show us today?
These are basically clothing.
Clothing.
Actually a boutique, and we are displaying, like you can see, suits are there, kurtis are there, all are hand stitched and hand embroidered.
So ma'am,
You can see, as you see, you can display. You can
Thank you.
follow us on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. We have page, anything.
so guys, if you like
See, pottery bags are there.
If you like this portly bags, please like a thumbs up button
Yeah.
and press the subscribe button and press the bell icon if you want the notification every time with your host and those fashion. Pooja. What's your name? Aarti. Nandini. So what kind of product you will sell or show to our family, YouTube family?
Handmade products are there. You can see hampers, bigger scrapbooks. So we have Valentine's special as well.
Oh, you have Valentine's special as well.
So this is a Valentine's special box.
Oh, gorgeous.
Yeah. And we have hampers. We have frames. All customizable.
So cool. So if a family wants to connect with you or contact with you, so you have a card or anything?
Yeah, I have a card.
So can you show us a card? So this is our card. You have an Instagram and
Instagram, Facebook account, and you can contact me on this number as well.
so family, if you want to customize your thing or stuff, you have to gift it to your special ones, a girlfriend, mom, because gift is for all. So please contact her, and this is the card.
My name is Nabila.
Nabila, what kind of product you will show us today, ma'am?
Fashion and lifestyle.
Fashion and lifestyle. So
Are you
if
vlogging?
yes, ma'am, I'm a blogger.
What's your name in YouTube?
My name is Fashel Vlogs in YouTube.
What do you do?
I'm a blogger, ma'am. I blog. I will go and ask everything, ma'am.
What's
I'm
your
a
age?
ma'am. My age is 18. So I'm a blogger. I'm a food blogger as well as I'm a nature blogger. I'm a traveling blogger. So I'm a multimedia blogger.
That's good. Nice meeting you.
Thank you, ma'am. So if a family wants to contact you, so how will they contact you?
There's a card, visiting card. We have a visiting card. Their numbers are written. Both the mobile numbers are given.
Ma'am, you are in a Instagram.
Yeah, I'm in Instagram, but that's not my professional account. That's my personal account.
So your brand doesn't have any Instagram handle.
I completely deal from my.
You are self-independent. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Tosif Javed.
Tausif Javed. What kind of product you will show us today?
So we are presenting ladies garments and kids wear. So in ladies garments we have kurtis, salwar suits, as well as nighties for women. And in kids wear we have from party frocks and flower suits, etc.
So
So we basically have a shop at Treasure Island and New Market
Treasure
by the
Island.
name the Greens and Evergreens Collection. So Evergreen Collection is a new market in the basement, opposite to the gate down the City Mart. And in Treasure Island, it's in the first floor, just 2 shops ahead of Rahman stores. It's the Greens Collection for kids wear exclusively.
So guys, if you want to take some of the products for your kids or for yourself, because fashion is very important. So please go and check it. And guys, please please please, इतना हेल्प कर रहा हूँ, इतना मेहनत कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों के लिए, एक लाइक तो बनता है. लाइक तो कर दीजिए. लाइक ओपी की ज़रूरत है. एक लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब करके बगल में एक बेल आइकन है उसको भी ज़रा प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि ऐसी वीडियोस मैं हमेशा लाता रहूँगा आप लोगों के लिए. भाई मेहनत कर रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा तो इनाम मिलना चाहिए ना. आप लोगों का लाइक ही मेरा इनाम है. तो प्लीज़ लाइक सर, प्लीज़ लाइक ऑप्शन.
Like for him and subscribe to the bell icon down there. Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम.
My name is Shagufta Azhar, and my brand name is Fushia. I'm a fashion designer. I have all range of clothes, ethnic wear, traditional wear, Indo-Western, Western, everything. And I have beautiful masks too. Even the bridal kurtis is there. And what is good about me is that we customize the kurti, we take the orders and we deliver to the home. As well, I am launching my new brand. This is Fauna. This is Ether, not the perfume, but you can get the essence of Gucci's and the Versace. You can get it here. So this essence are very beautiful.
So ma'am, you have any boutiques or shops?
No, basically I am doing the exhibitions only, but we are looking forward for the boutique.
So ma'am, right now you are working from home.
Yeah,
So you are a homemaker.
yeah.
So guys, please do check it ma'am's channel. Ma'am, you have any contact number or visiting card?
Yeah, contact number and you can see in Insta, Facebook.
So guys, if you like ma'am's product, do check it. Thank you ma'am for giving me this opportunity.
और यहाँ पे हम लोग जो सामान बिक्री कर रहे हैं वो मदर चॉइस ब्रांड एंड कॉटन लीव. इसलिए हम लोग बच्चों का आइटम, बेस्ट आइटम रखते हैं हम लोग, जो आपके सब कुछ जो ब्रांड क्वालिटी में रहता है वो रहता है हम लोग पास में. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल हम लोग पास में जैकेट होगा आपका, ठीक है, सारे जैकेट है. ठीक है। हर एक चीज़ जो बच्चों के इंतजाम के लिए आपको ज़रूरत है, छोटे से लेके फ्रॉम बॉर्न टू आपके 14 साल तक के, वो सारे आपको बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा प्राइस पर। और हम लोग अल्लाह करम से इंशाल्लाह जो भी हम लोग जितना मतलब हम लोग बिजनेस किया बहुत अच्छा फुटफॉल रहता है कस्टमर का। और संगी से हम लोग यहाँ पे आपका सलवार सूट भी है, 10 पीस रहता है हम लोग कॉटन ड्रेस का नाम से, जो काफ़ी मशहूर हो चुका है अभी हम लोग। तो कस्टमर लोग बहुत अच्छा ब्रांड होता है, कस्टमर आगे पसंद करते हैं। अभी हम लोग स्टॉल लगा है यहाँ पे आपका इब्रा में, जो हम लोग अभी कैनात के अंडर में हम लोग अभी, तो उनका भी बहुत अच्छा है, वो अभी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है, उनका फुटफॉल भी बहुत अच्छा है, प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छा उनका है। तो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू एवरीवन प्लीज कम एंड विजिट हियर and grab the moment, grab the offer, and grab your store. And thank you for
Thank you, sir.
Present cotton leaf here and mother's toys. We have
So, ma'am, what kind of product you will show us today, ma'am?
cotton suits as well as fancy suits. We are specialized in cotton suits and we have fancy suits as well with a very reasonable price. And we have kidswear which has cotton denim jackets, cotton shirts, tunics, goggles, jumpsuits. We have t-shirts,
You may. After all, it's your stall, ma'am.
Minimum rate starting from 650, 700 for the cotton suits, and for the fancy wear we start from 1050, 800, 1200. It varies accordingly. We work.
50% on fancy and 50% on fancy.
Good name?
My name is Shamrin Naz and I'm a makeup artist.
And what's your name?
My name is Bushra Khanna.
So, you are a makeup artist, ma'am. So, if you are doing bridal makeups as well as party makeup,
I capture events and everything. Makeup, stage shows makeup. I do every makeup. I'm doing this from 5 years, and professionally I'm here from 5 years and doing. And today I am here to give the people free makeup to advertise me and my brand, Shamrin Blushing. They can go to my Insta ID shamrin.nas786 and they can personally call me on my number if I provide. There is my number and ID. You can see this.
so guys, if you want to, if you are, right now is a wedding season, guys. So please go. If you are a bride or you are a sister's bride or if you are a makeup lover, please go and check ma'am's.
And you will get a good discount if you will call me in his
Facial vlogs.
fashion vlogs by them, and you can give a good discount from there.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this lovely interview.
My name is Firdaus Nadeem.
So, ma'am, what kind of product you will show us today, ma'am?
Today I'm showing you all linen products. My first here, ladies jacket, jeans jacket, laptop bags, money pouch, ladies wallets, jeans wallets, watch box, bangle boxes. These are our products. And here we have trolley bags also. And
So, ma'am, if you have any visiting cards or
I have my visiting card, you can see. This is my RS Creation, is my visiting card by Firdaus Nadeem. And you can see here is my mobile number, WhatsApp number. I have my Instagram, Gmail ID, Facebook ID, everything. And I also have my online business of suits and these bags, children's products, everything. I have it.
So guys, if you like ma'am's product, please go and check it. And ma'am, you are giving customized orders, or you are just,
I have my customized orders also.
so you have a shop or you will work from home?
I work from home.
So ma'am also an independent woman working from home. Thank you ma'am for giving me this opportunity to take an interview from you. Good name ma'am?
My name is Riya Guha and my brand name is Showstopper.
Showstopper. So ma'am, what kind of product you will show us today ma'am?
Today I have brought this kind of lehenga full set, pure Banarasi lehenga. Then kind of handwork, Banarasi dupatta, materials, unstitched materials, plazo set that I am wearing. This kind of also is there, and in very reasonable rate.
So ma'am,
Actually, we have our own showroom. We have our own design studio at Rush Behari Avenue. It's 22A Rush Behari Avenue, beside Shitla Mandir. So we have our proper outlet. So people are invited to come over there and have a look at your collection.
so guys, if you want to check, or ma'am, you are doing customized works.
Yes, definitely.
So guys, if you want to, you are an experimental one. So if you want to customize your work, so please go and check it out, ma'am's boutique. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me.
Thank you so much.